I don't know how this happened or who is responsible, but I do know I have to stop it. Who are you, huh? Hey, you, I asked you a question. Hey guys, Tails here. Hey Sonic, how are you today? Oh, me? I'm just fine. Well, I'm gonna go fix the X-Tornado. Bye! Sonic, you did it! You defeated Chaos! Hi, my name is Shadow. Shadow the Hedgehog. My purpose in life? Unknown. Maria, where are you? I must find her. Or, I really have no purpose in life. I'm no figure. The only figure here is you. Sonic the Hedgehog. My name is Mephiles. Silver, I can help you. Help you prevent this disastrous future. You just have to destroy the Iblis sugar. Look, here he is. Yes, the blue hedgehog. His name, Sonic the Hedgehog. My name is Knuckles. I've been chosen to protect the Master Emerald. Why? I don't know. What? What happened to the Master Emerald? You did this, didn't you? Hey guys, I'm Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm the fastest and quickest living thing.